Everyone finds real spoken French hard to understand. Even in movies and TV shows, French people eat letters and even drop some words. But with practice, you can improve your understanding. C'est parti! Bonjour, I'm Géraldine, your French teacher. Welcome to Comme une Française. Today, like every Tuesday, I'm here to help you get better at speaking and understanding everyday modern French. Here is a short clip from 10%, a French series also called Call My Agent. You might know it. The agent Andrea is mad at her assistant for quitting after so much abuse. Can you understand what they're saying in broad strokes?
Non mais attends, c'est comme ça que tu me remercies? Je t'ai formé moi, pendant des années. Je t'ai présenté tout Paris. Attends,
non, c'est pas possible, je veux plus entendre tout ça, ok? Je veux juste partir.
C'est pas toi qui pars, c'est moi qui te vire. T'es viré!
Fermeture des portes.
Comment je vais faire, moi, sans assistante maintenant?
One of them is angry, the other is crying, so it makes it very difficult to understand. If you didn't get everything, that's fine. Let's see if subtitles help.
Non mais attends, c'est comme ça que tu me remercies? Je t'ai formé moi, pendant des années. Je t'ai présenté tout Paris. Attends,
non, c'est pas possible, je veux plus entendre tout ça, ok? Je veux juste partir.
C'est pas toi qui pars, c'est moi qui te vire. T'es viré!
Fermeture des portes.
Comment je vais faire, moi, sans assistante maintenant?
Yes, it is very difficult to understand even if you've been learning French for decades. There is colloquial slang, some syllables disappear, and they even drop the ne. In correct normal written French, a negative sentence looks like this. A subject plus ne plus a verb plus pas for I don't, or with plus for not anymore, or with jamais for I never did something. For example, je ne pense pas, I don't think so, je ne pense pas. Or, je ne nage plus, I don't swim anymore, je ne nage plus. Or, je ne cours jamais, I never run. In everyday spoken French, French people tend to cut as much as they can, and usually the ne is the first one to disappear. So in real conversations, we would say je pense pas, I don't think so, je pense pas. Je nage plus, I don't swim anymore, je nage plus. And je cours jamais, I never run, je cours jamais. Can it help you understand the clip a little bit better? Let's slow it down so you can pay attention to this. And because 10% is a real TV series and not a school exercise, they add a lot of elements of everyday spoken French. For example, eating some letters. She doesn't say je veux, she says je veux, je veux. Or everyday slang, for example, she says virer for fired. Let's go again.
Non mais attends, c'est comme ça que tu me remercies? Je t'ai formé moi, pendant des années. Je t'ai présenté tout Paris. Attends,
non, c'est pas possible, je veux plus entendre tout ça, ok? Je veux juste partir.
C'est pas toi qui pars, c'est moi qui te vire. T'es viré!
Fermeture des portes.
Comment je vais faire, moi, sans assistante maintenant?
Did you notice? Ce n'est pas possible, it's not possible, ce n'est pas possible becomes in fast spoken French, c'est pas possible, c'est pas possible. They also say, je veux plus entendre tout ça. I don't want to hear this anymore. Instead of, je ne veux plus entendre tout ça, which is actually grammatically more correct. And at last, ce n'est pas toi qui pars, it's not you the one who is leaving, becomes C'est pas toi qui pars without the ne. C'est pas toi qui pars. The problem with dropping the ne is that when you are actually practicing your understanding of French, it's much more difficult to guess whether a sentence is positive or negative. For example, can you hear if those real everyday spoken French sentences are in the negative? Je suis là. Je suis là. This one is affirmative. It is je suis là. I am here. Je suis là. J'ai toujours aimé Paris. J'ai toujours aimé Paris. This one is affirmative. J'ai toujours aimé Paris. I've always loved Paris. C'est pas ce que je dis. C'est pas ce que je dis. This one is negative. It is c'est pas ce que je dis. Or it should be ce n'est pas ce que je dis in school French. And that means this is not what I am saying. Ce n'est pas ce que je dis. In everyday French, we would say c'est pas ce que je dis. C'est plus le bon mot de passe. C'est plus le bon mot de passe. Did you guess? This one is negative. I dropped the ne. I said c'est plus le bon mot de passe. It should be in school French. Ce n'est plus le bon mot de passe. It is not the right password anymore. And here, don't forget that the S disappears because it is not anymore. Ce n'est plus le bon mot de passe. J'en veux plus. J'en veux plus. This one is positive. J'en veux plus with the S at the end means I want more of this. And now that we practiced together, I am sure that you can understand this clip so much better, even without the subtitles. Give it a try.
Non mais attends, c'est comme ça que tu me remercies? Je t'ai formé moi, pendant des années. Je t'ai présenté tout Paris. Attends,
Non, c'est pas possible, je veux plus entendre tout ça, ok? Je veux juste partir.
c'est pas toi qui pars, c'est moi qui te vire. T'es viré!
Fermeture des portes.
Comment je vais faire, moi, sans assistant maintenant?
You can follow these steps on your own and practice with any French resource that you like. You only need to take the time to learn more about the difficulties that you face along the way. For example, I mentioned the difference between plus and plus in French, which can be tricky. When you're watching a movie, you might wonder why and how you can use quand même as well. Or you might wonder why French people say je sais pas instead of je sais pas. And all this is very tricky and can help you improve your oral comprehension of everyday spoken French, which is very fast. I made a playlist for you where you will find lessons about these 3 topics. Just click here on your screen to access those lessons for free and I will see you in the next one. Allez, à tout de suite.